For this installation, you will need a flat trim tool. Start by locating the map light console. Using the flat trim tool to pry open the map light lens and remove. The locking clips and tabs would require to be aligned upon reinstallation. Remove the incandescent light bulb by using the trim tool to pull slightly outward the metal bracket. Next, install the new LED light bulb and test it. You can slightly adjust the metal bracket if need. Align the lens clips and tabs with the opening in the console and snap it. The incandescent light measures at 8 lux and the new LED light at 75 lux. Amazing difference!